So you decided you wanted to start your own project. Cool. Where are you going to go to get your data though? Today I'm going to show you how to use data.gov to search for specific information by the specific department that you're interested in. Today I'm going to use NASA. So let's take a look here and type in, for example, space. After it loads up, you see you can search through things here with location, topics, categories, dataset types, tags, formats, all sorts of different options here. But we know that we want space specifically, so we also know that we want this to come from NASA. So let's go to the organizations tab, and you see there are 152. But if we search for NASA, hit enter here, there's only one that pops up, 24,000 data sets. So it's a little more manageable. Looks like they all have a lot of data there. And then from here, you have more topic categories that you can dive into to get whatever it is that you are interested in. And you may have to be a little more specific since obviously these topic categories are not complete based on the amount of data sets that there are. But this is a good way to get started. And let's pick one here. Let's say water mist nozzles here. So if you open this up, then you have your datas here, and you've got them in different formats. Right here, JSON, XML, and a PDF as well. Lots of different ways to access your data. And then you're able to start getting created with some really cool story. What are some data sources that you found, and how do you go about getting your data ready to tell a story? Sound off in the comments below.